Welcome back to Hashtag on the Menu. Today I'm sharing with you guys one of my favorite recipes. It's by Barefoot Contessa. It's her roasted shrimp and orzo salad. I've slightly enhanced this by adding some fresh garlic and roasted red pepper flakes. The recipe will be posted down low in the description box. But to start, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees and cook your orzo pasta. I'm using gluten-free orzo, but regular orzo works just fine. Either way, this recipe is amazing. Enjoy. So this recipe is instantly going to become one of your favorites like it did mine. Thank you so much, Barefoot Contessa. I like to have mine room temperature, but the warm shrimp and the vibrant lemon and herbs really bring out the flavor of this dish. It's best to let it sit for about 30 minutes before serving. Again, you can have it warm, room temperature, or cool. I prefer room temperature personally, but this is perfect for late summer. I enjoy this on the beach or just relaxing on your back patio. It's an easy weekday dinner. And then obviously compare perfectly with the white wine. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Look forward to more. Thanks so much for watching.